play. So we sat in the house on a cold, wet day. I sat there with Sandy, we sat there with Chew, and sat home. We wish we had something to do. Chew went to go watch it, Chew got to play though. So we sat in the house, we didn't clean up. So all we should do was sit. And we do not like it. Back one little bit. And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked and we saw him stepping on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat. And he said to us,
"Why do you sit there like that? I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun. That is funny." "I know some good games you could play," said the cat. "I know some new tricks," said the cat in the hat. "A lot of good tricks. I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do."
And Sal and I did not know what to say. And my was out of the house for the day. But a fish said, No, let that hat go away. Tell that cat in the hat, you do not want to play. He should not be here. He should not be about. He should not be here when your mother is out.
Now, have no fear, said the cat. "My tricks are not bad," said the cat in the hat. "But we can have lots of good fun if you wish. With a game that I call it up with a fish."
"Think down," said the fish. "This is no fun at all. Put me down," said the fish. "I do not wish to fall."
"Have no fear," said the cat, "and without let you fall, I will hold you up high as I stand on the ball, with a book on one hand and a cup in my hat. But that is not all I can do," said the cat. Look at me now," said the cat. "With a cup and a cake on the top of my hat, I can hold up 2 books. I can hold up the fish, and a little toy ship, and some milk on the dish. And look, I can hop up and down on the ball. But that is not all. Oh no, that is not all. Look at me now. It is fun to have fun, but you have to know how. I can hold up the cup and the milk and the cake. I can hold up these books and a fish on a ring. I can hold a toy ship and a little toy man. And look, with my tail, I can hold a red fan. I can fan with a fan as I hop on the ball. But that is not all. Oh no, that is not all."
That is what the cat said. Then he fell on his hat. It came down with a bump from up there on a ball. And Sal and I saw all the things fall. Then our fish came down too. He fell into a pot. He said, "Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. This is not a good game," said our fish as he leapt. "No, I do not like it, not for a little bit. Now look what you did," said the fish to the cat. "Now look at this house, look at this, look at that. You sang our toy ship can dip in a cake. You sugar our house, and you bent our new rake. You should not be here when your mother is out. You get out this house," said the fish in a pot.
"But I like to be here. Oh, I like it a lot," said the cat in the hat to the fish in a pot. "I will not go away. I do not wish to go." And so, said the cat in the hat. So, I will show you another good game that I know."
Then he ran out, and then, fast as a fox, the cat in the hat went back in with a box. It was shut with a hook.
"Now look at this trick," said the cat. "Take a look."
Then down and on top, with the tip of his hat,
"I call this game Fun in a Box," said the cat. "In this box are 2 things I will show to you now. You'll like these 2 things," said the cat with a bow. "I will pick up the hook. You'll see something new. 2 things, and I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. These things do not bite you.
They want to have fun." And out of the box came Thing 2 and Thing 1. They went was fast. They said, "How do you do? Did you like to shake hands with Thing 1 and Thing 2? And Sal and I did not know what to do. So we had to shake hands with Thing 1 and Thing 2. We shook their 2 hands. But a fish said, No, this thing should not be in this house. Make them go. They should not be here when their mother is out. Put them out, said the fish in a pot.
"Have no fear, little fish," said the cat things, and he gave him a pat. They are tame, oh so tame. They have come here to play. They will give you some fun on this wet, wet, wet day. Now, here's a game that they like, said the cat. They like to fly kites, said the cat in the hat.
No, not in the house, said the fish in the pot. They should not fly cats in the house. They should not. All the things that were bump, all the things in here. Oh, I did not like it, not one little bit. And Sal and I saw them run down the hall. We saw those two things bump their kites on the wall. Bump, thump, thump, bump, down the wall. In the hall, thing shooting thing one. They ran up, thing went down. On the string and one carried some more you gown. Her gown with a duster, pink, white, red. Also one kite bump on the head of her bat. Then those things run about with big bumps, jumps, and kicks, and hops and big thumps, and all kinds of batteries. And I said, I do not like the way that they play. If Mother could see this, oh, what would she say? And then our fish said, look, look, and our fish shook with fear. Your mother's on the way home, you hear? Oh, we should do what we say. Oh, she will not like it to run this way. So, do something fast, said the fish. Do you hear? I saw her, your mother's in here. So as fast as she can figure something, you got to finger one and thing too. So as fast as I could, I went after my net, and I sat with my net. I can get with my net. I bet with my net. I can get this thing yet. Then left down my net. It came down with a plop, and I had them last those two things at the top. You said to the cat, now you do as I say. You pack those things and you take them away.
Oh dear, said the cat. You do not like our game? Oh dear, what a shame, what a shame, what a shame.
Then he showed her the things in the box with a hook, and the cat went away with a sad kind of look. That is good, said the fish. He has gone away. Yes, when your mother comes, she will find this big mess. And this mess is so big and so deep and so tall. Oh, we cannot pick it up. There's no way at all. And then, who was back in the house? Why, the cat.
Have no fear of this mess, said the cat in a hat. I always pick my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then we saw him pick up all the things that were down. He picked up the cake and the rake and the gown and the milk and the swings and the books and the dish and the fan and the cup and the ship and the fish. He put them away. He said, that is that. And then he was gone with a tip in his hat. And our mother came in, and she sat to us too. Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do? Then Sal and I did not know what to say. She would tell the things that one did that day. She would tell him about that. What should we do? Well, what will you do if your mother asks you? The end. Thanks for joining the Cat in the Hat. We read The Cat in the Hat, and this is by Dr. Seuss. So